welcome back, guys and girls. Antonio Hammer, thanks again for joining me on my show. Today, we're still working in this kitchen area. Maybe you've seen some of the videos, the before and afters. But what we're doing today is we are putting these little puck lights under the counter, right underneath the cabinets, to give some nice mood lighting. Everything will be on a dimmer remote, so you'll be able to change the brightness and whatnot. So we're going to start out right over here. In this corner here, we have a power source back here behind the refrigerator. And we're going to show you the exact connectors that come with these. You have a plug, they have a little connector that plugs all the lights into this little cube. So I'm going to show you all that. We're going to do a little photo so you guys can see everything in the placement and where everything goes. So hang tight, here we go. You guys and girls, so here we go. So here are the extensions to make connections from light to light. They give you a few of these in the box. This is our connector cube. All the connectors connect right into this main block, so you can plug in several light systems into this. And this also comes with an on-off switch as well. Here's a couple of the puck lights. We have a box of 10 of these, okay? And also we have these little stickies, which we wire tie up underneath the cabinet for the light wires to hold those tight. And then we have a whole bunch of Velcro, actually. This is awesome stuff. It just sticks on there and it stays on there forever, pretty much. Electrical tape if you guys need it for anything, to hold some of those wires together. But we're gonna get rocking and rolling on this project, so stay tuned. We have a power circuit right back here, you guys and girls. We're going to tie into that, and we're going to bring this power source up into the side of the cabinet over here. And then everything is going to come inside here where the connections will be made. There is a little cube. These all the lights plug right into here. It's a really cool system. They just interconnect from one to the next. So here's the layout for the lights. All these little terminals here, these all just kind of connect to each other. So what we do is we get some... So DIYers, we got all the wiring done, all the lights are done. We got our remote control, which comes with the light set, so you can dim them, okay? Or make them bright. They have a timer setting on them, so you can set the timer on them. So there's a lot of different features. These LED light sets that go under the counters, there's a lot of different types, styles that you can buy. You can buy colored ones that change colors. Which I put in for some of my clients, but some of them, you know, they just want a white LED light, you know, that they can dim. It gives it a little mood lighting at nighttime, and that's pretty much it. All right, it's a pretty simple job. You know, I think the hardest part of this job is probably just running your wires and hiding your wires and tacking them up above the, you know, the cabinets underneath there. That's usually the most difficult part, because you're working sideways. So if you have a bad neck, I wouldn't recommend it. Okay, and that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Thanks for subscribing. Hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Thanks a lot. Thumbs up and paws up. Fabio, Taco, come on. Bring it in, come on. There we go. Come here, Fabio. All right, you can't see me. See you guys.